right, here we have a historic, manually controlled Otis freight elevator here in St. Louis. Check this thing out. Now this thing has no light, but luckily I have my own. Don't use the elevator if you don't know how. Well, luckily for us, I know how to run a manual. So we're going to take this thing for a ride. So here we go. You're up at 6. Actually looks like this GAL panel was added on at some point. So we have a light key, which there's our wonderful light fixture. And then I'm guessing this is a lockout for the whole elevator. Here we've got the old Otis logo. Actually looks like there's a wooden ceiling that, imagine if that wasn't on there, that'd be a cool view. So now let's take this thing back down. Actually, I can do a little bit better job of leveling that. Now that was a really cool old Otis elevator. So that's it.